Morning everyone. Welcome again for a wonderful session on the business analytics tool which we have developed in the last 1 year. So BABAGIS is one of the business analytics tool, and the acronym stands for Business Analytics, Business Augmentation and Growth Information System, that is BABAGIS. So it's a wonderful tool where you can actually analyze your business based on the numbers produced over the year or during the year basically. Let's see what it is actually. So it's one small step for FIR, one giant leap for business basically. So the FIR stands for here financial investigation report here basically. So that gives you the base for the business analytics. Is your business is not up to the mark, you definitely need BABAGI's help. Is your business is growing okay, you still need BABAGI's help. So let's understand BABAGIS. BABAGIS basically it's a business finance software basically. It helps you to understand what the business is, and by knowing the numbers, cash and all stuff like that. It also deals with the accounting basically, so you will have to see that how the accounting process works here. So it has some certain terms like accounting business. It uses the balance sheet basically, so you have to provide your balance sheet in order to analyze the business in terms of numbers. So the balance sheets itself is a self-explanatory, but it understands only by the accountants like that. So further, in order to make it management friendly, we need to further drill down the balance sheet to get into the analytics, right? So that's where the financial ratios comes into picture. So financial ratios is a better indicator basically, or a system where you can understand the business, how it is going in terms of numbers basically. So this is a key area where the BABAGIS is built on, financial ratios that will take from the balance sheet. So ratio analytics, always everyone knows it's a proven thing. It's a proven system in business mathematics where you have a lot of ratios for against each item in it. Yeah, again it compares data, it analyzes the mark, how the company is performing and stuff like that. So BABAGIS analytics tool reads the company balance sheet, understand the company balance sheet, calculate the financial ratios, analyze the ratios on fly, compare ratios with industry data, present financial status in graphical view, export financial data in Excel, maintenance and management of financial data, online access, online upload and download of reports, etc. So all this is done by the BABAGIS tool. Let's see in action how the BABAGIS tool works basically. So let me go to the portal. So this is where the portal is actually. It has a general portal. It has got two sections in it. It has got a general information where it actually talks about the company and all. So you will be providing a login. So user will be logging with an account. The customer will provide an account, and once the account is done, then it actually goes to the login where it shows the company information who has got the login in it basically. So it has that kind of mechanism in it. Yeah, this is the post login. It has got, again, the menu has been changed here, right? So these are specific to that client actually. So the more important option is here you will be seeing the process, analytics, communication, finance desk, profile and all. So go to the process and see the balance sheet upload. When you click on that, it shows all the balance sheets which are uploaded onto the portal basically. So these are all the different balance sheets are uploaded here actually. So you can view the balance sheet here, something like this. See, this is the uploaded balance sheet on the server, where for each quarter and the yearly wise, and each balance sheet item basically, right? Your balance sheet, general balance sheet, right? So that's what it has got two sections. It's the opening initial data or business opening of the business, and then over the business basically, right? So here where you can see these the analytics comes into picture, where it analyzes your data and actually shows the calculate the ratios basically. So now this based on that balance sheet. So this balance sheet is being analyzed and actually shows the ratios, corresponding ratios like liquidity ratio, asset ratio, profitability ratio, debt ratio, market ratios. So all these numbers are calculated quarter on quarter or year on year for each balance sheet item, right? So these numbers is interpreted by the business consultant basically. So since we had strong appearance in the business, so we know that what these numbers are talking about. Like, what does it mean 1.92 the current ratio? What is it 1.63 quick ratio? And the quarter one, quarter two, quarter like that, right? So again, go to the assets, the same thing, profitability, again, all these ratios are calculated based on the balance sheet provided. And also you can see the graphical view of the data. So this shows that liquidity ratio, how it is spread, right, against each ratio. So which is bigger, which is smaller, and all stuff like that. So it shows that all, so it's easy to interpret now. See which is spreading, which is not spreading, and which is how much is to be done and all actually, right? So that's how the graphical view. And graph market view is also there. It actually draws again as the market data. So you can see the market data and also the again as this one. So green is the market liquidity here, whereas red one is the company movement. So liquidity flow and the market flow, how they are moving actually. So this helps us to understand easily how the market is and how our company is moving actually. So this is a typical for all ratios. It will be done the same way. So you can see the graph view of these assets view basically. So it actually comes up here. So when you go to that, like that, debt ratios and all. So this makes you to understand your business very well, and you can actually upload it. Click on this one, add, click on the browse. It will take you to the folder, or you select a particular balance sheet here and say upload. It does uploading now. Okay, uploaded successfully. Okay, then you can see this one. See, just now we uploaded this one. Again, the same data basically. Of course, this is the ID is 25 now, right? So when you upload it, it actually gives another ID to you. Though I'm actually putting upload 7 here. When you say upload, and say OK, then upload successfully, and see you see the 26 here, right? And you can see the data as well here, right? And also you can see the ratios here. You calculate all the ratios, right? And once you're done, and you can actually use the logout here. So again, this is a normal site. You can have all the normal information about SMEA analytics. Then that's how it is actually works here basically. Thank you very much for the given opportunity to demonstrate the BABAGIS tool. Have a wonderful day and take care of your business. Thank you. Bye.